our new friend, Loco!
It's a sunny morning. TITIPO and the little trains are off to see Mr. Herb.
Morning, Mr. Herb!
Morning, everyone.
Mr. Herb, I heard a new train's coming today.
That's right. TITIPO, will you go to the plant and escort the new train here?
Sure, no problem.
When he gets here, Genie can show him around town and Diesel can take him on a practice route.
Will do, Mr. Herb.
All right, better get going, TITIPO.
Okay, see you all later.
So, there's a new train coming to town. Wonder what the newbie will be like.
Hi, Teo.
Hello, TITIPO.
I came to get the new train. So where is he?
He's on his way. Oh, here he comes.
Teo.
Hello, Loco. Are you all ready to go?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
There's no need to be. Your escort to town's here. Say hi, TITIPO.
Hello, I'm TITIPO. Hello, my name's Loco.
TITIPO was also a newbie like you not so long ago.
But that's in the past. Now I'm one of the best trains in town.
Yeah, one of the best.
Just follow my lead. Thanks. I sure will. Just wait here. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Bye, Teo. We'll be heading off now.
Okay, be safe. Take care of Loco.
I will. Goodbye, Teo, and thank you. Wow! It's real pretty here. There are lots more other nice spots, too. I'll take you to them. I like that. This is the industrial district. Does that mean there are a lot of factories here? Uh-huh. You'll be coming to this area often from now on. Wow! You know everything. No. I know a cooler place. Want to go? A cooler place? It's a track by Big Lake. Come on, I'll show ya. Okay.
TITIPO and Loco are passing through a quiet country area.
I forget which way it is to the lake. Let's just go left and see.
Oh no, that's not right. TITIPO is going the wrong way.
TITIPO, are we almost there now? Oh, yeah. We just have to go a little further. Huh? Where's the lake? I don't know. We went the wrong way. I'm sorry. Let's just go to Choo Choo Town.
After losing their way, TITIPO and Loco eventually make it to Choo Choo Town.
We're here, Mr. Herb.
Good job, TITIPO. You must be the new train. Welcome.
Hello, Mr. Herb. My name is Loco.
Loco, short for locomotive. Now, you'd better go on in and meet the others.
Okay. Just follow me. Sure.
I'm Genie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. I'm Loco.
Let me show you around Choo Choo Town.
That sounds fun.
Come on.
Okay.
See you later. This is the train wash. Do you want me to tell you how it works?
Yes.
When the green light turns on, it means you can go in.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, something's wrong with the train wash.
spot.
Yeah.
Genie!
Oh,
Was looking for you. Oh, are you the new train?
Loco, this is Diesel.
Hello, Diesel.
Hello to you too. Do you want to go to the quarry? It's super fun.
The quarry?
Go ahead.
Huh?
I can always show you around town later.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah. Titipo, Titipo.
Diesel and Loco are at the quarry.
Wow. Whoa. What do you do here, Diesel?
I haul rocks from the quarry to places that need them.
Wow. That sounds so cool.
That machine crushes rocks. And that's where I load up. I'll show you how.
Wow. You're awesome, Diesel.
I can do this in my sleep.
Wow.
If we stop here, the rocks are gonna come down. Now watch carefully.
Diesel, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's Titipo and Genie.
I was showing Loco the train wash, and he came all covered in soap and bubbles.
Well, I took a wrong turn and ended up getting lost with Loco.
Hi, guys.
Diesel! What happened to you?
Oh, boy. I was showing Loco my job when I messed up.
We made mistakes too.
Do you think Loco could be upset because of us?
The little trains are worried that they disappointed Loco. It's a new morning.
Titipo!
Yeah. What's going on?
Loco wants us to meet him at the clock tower now.
Loco? Because of you, my first day here was bad. I'm never playing with you again. What if he says he doesn't want to be friends?
The little trains are going to the clock tower to meet Loco.
Hi, guys. Good morning.
Good morning, Loco.
Everything you did yesterday was so awesome.
What?
That's not true. I got us lost and made you tired. I wasn't, though. I was happy because I got to meet new friends along the way.
Oh, Titipo.
Hello. Loco, I'll introduce you to my friends. Okay. Eric is a commuter train, so he has long routes. And Sing Sing is the fastest train in Choo Choo Town. Oh, that's so cool. It's nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you too.
First, I met Eric and Sing Sing.
We're twin freight trains. I'm Manny.
And I'm Bernie.
Hello, Manny, Bernie. You two really do look alike.
I'm very happy to meet you.
Me too. I hope we'll be good friends.
Next, I met Manny and Bernie.
Chicky-cha!
Yo, yo! Ho! Nice to meet and greet. You Loco, me Fix.
Me lift! Yo, let's be good bros, Loco!
Hey!
Hey!
Ho!
Ho!
Join us and get down. Welcome to
And then I met Fix and Lift.
Lift.
Thanks to Titipo, I met so many good friends in just one day.
Oh, that's great, Titipo.
I guess so. You were great too, Genie.
What? I was?
Yeah, you showed me the whole town. You were the bestest guide ever.
That's the control center.
Ah,
It's where Mr. Herb works.
he looks busy.
This is the car depot. The freight and passenger cars we use are all kept here.
Wow, this place is cool. Thanks to Genie, I know the town really well now.
You do? I'm so glad.
I guess you're upset with me then.
Upset with you? Why would I be? You had an accident when you were showing me your work. Are you okay, Diesel?
Diesel, what happened?
I wasn't at my mark. I'll move up more.
Wow.
I'm ready.
All right, here we go!
But seeing you do your job like a pro even after the accident, I got goosebumps. I want to be like you, a strong and hardworking freight train.
I am pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, you are. You all are the coolest.
Well, with a little effort, Loco, you'll be as cool as us.
Yeah, that's right. But until then, we'll be here to help.
Of course, you can come to us anytime. Wow, thank you.
The little trains have made a cute new friend. Welcome to the group, Loco.